In BlueWinston, we opened a new CSS service called Shopping in EU. In this video, we will show you how to get a 20% discount on Google Shopping ads with CSS Partner, how to switch to Shopping in EU. If you are interested in using our services, simply visit our website css.shoppingin.eu. On the website, click on the button Request CSS Service. You will see a simple form where you will fill in your contact information and what program you are interested in. After filling your information, click on the button Next. You will see the second part of the form. You must complete all required details about your company. Continue by filling in the details of your eShop. Without this step, we cannot ask Google for switch. If you are the owner of several eShops, just click the button and add another shop. Click on the button Send. Done. You have successfully completed the form and we received a notification that you are interested in our services. Our support team will contact you and send you a PDF file on how to proceed. We are looking forward to you.